So, something a little different today, if you will. This is a Triang billboard that was never actually made. The reason it's sitting here now on my layout is the fact that I was asked to make one using my 3D printer. This is an idea mooted by James Day and is actually taken from a picture in Pat Hammond's book, page 298, of a billboard with extras. Yes, it's actually got its own built-in sound unit at the back, making a train horn, something Triang was going to introduce and never actually put into production. So, using the 3D printer and mocking it up from Pat Hammond's book, with James's guidance, and the wonderful posters on the front from Dave McCarthy's excellent website, which lists all of the Triang posters, and the sound unit from MR Rails. And there it is, the finished item. With a volume control on the side, switch on the top, and it's wired for an external switch as well. So just a bit of fun and something different. Thanks very much for watching.